If you're interested in bottling honey for the first time, in this video I show you how I did it for my first backyard extraction a few years ago. When I fill my honey jars, I get everything ready ahead of time. I got these little 6-ounce honey bears off of Amazon. They have a little seal inside, so when you screw it on, the seal adheres to the top. So when somebody gets the product, it's actually sealed and kind of looks professional. But I don't sell them, I just give them away for Christmas presents. But this is my setup. I've got everything ready to go so I can open up the gate and just move through all 24 jars fairly quickly. You may notice that the honey pours really slowly into the honey bear. The reason behind this is that it's kind of cold outside, but also I don't heat my honey because I want it to remain in its natural state. Once I filled enough bears to suit my needs for the next few days or few weeks, I go ahead and cap them. These caps again have the white insert, so when you screw it on, the white insert adheres to the top of the bear, and if you're going to give them away to people, they get that warm fuzzy that these things are sealed when they receive them. Just showing you what you're going to see when you open one up. This is the seal, so it's adhered to the top, keeps all the bad stuff out. Oops. As I mentioned earlier in this video, this was from my very first honey extraction. Came from the backyard. It was a really dark, rich honey that was fantastic in coffee. I actually still have some left over today. This is about 4 years later and it still hasn't crystallized. If you want to get your hands on any of my most recent extractions from Orange Blossom, Tupelo, or my Wildflower, visit sweetiebeehoney.com. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave those comments down below, and we'll see you next time.